How to lock specific chats on WhatsApp on Android. This tutorial shows you how to secure individual conversations with a lock. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Find the chat you want to lock and press and hold on it to select it. From there, tap on the three dots on the top right and select Lock Chat from the options. At this point, WhatsApp will ask you to authenticate using your fingerprint or screen lock to confirm the action. From there, once verified, the chat will be locked and moved into a separate Locked Chats folder. After that, go back to your main chat list and confirm the locked chat is no longer visible there. In the next step, to access your locked chats, scroll to the very top of your chat list and tap on Locked Chats. From there, authenticate again with your fingerprint or screen lock to open the folder and view your locked conversations. Once done, tap on the specific chat you want to open from within the locked folder. Following this, if you want to unlock a chat, press and hold on it from within the Locked Chats folder. From here, tap on the lock icon again to remove it from the lock section, returning it to your normal chat list. At this stage, keep in mind that locked chats will not show message previews or sender names in your notifications, keeping their content private even when new messages arrive. After this, you can lock multiple individual chats this way, and each one will be grouped together within the same Locked Chats folder. And that's it. If this guide helped you lock specific chats on WhatsApp, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.